Rejection. That sting you feel when someone says no, or you don't get the job, or the door slams in your face. Yeah, it sucks. But here's the thing. Rejection is a weapon, if you know how to use it. Most people crumble when they're rejected. They take it personally, as proof they're not good enough. But high-value people, they take rejection, flip it, and use it to get even better. Rejection should be fuel, not a cage. Think about this. When you're rejected, you're actually handed a blueprint for growth. It's like the world saying, hey, here's where you're not there yet. If you're smart, you don't see it as a hit to your value. You see it as a challenge, an invitation to get sharper, stronger, and more irresistible. Number 1, learn the lessons, not the lies. Rejection has lessons. When you're rejected, it's easy to think, I'm not good enough. But that's a lie. The truth, it's feedback. Rejection might be telling you your skills aren't up to par, that your approach was off, or that you didn't present yourself right. Use that. Level up. Get better. Make the people who rejected you regret it. Number 2, use the power of absence. Here's where reverse psychology comes in. When someone pushes you away, don't chase. Most people freak out, trying to prove their worth. Instead, step back. Get your mind right. Absence creates mystery, scarcity, and people crave what's hard to get. If you walk away without reacting, you're not giving them power. You're holding on to it. The next time someone tries to knock you down, do less, not more. Go silent, build yourself, and let them realize what they're missing. Trust me, they'll feel it. Number 3, transform the pain into discipline. Rejection stings, and if you're honest, it can hurt your pride. But channel that pain. Turn it into discipline. Hit the gym, work on your goals, build your skills. Make the world see the version of you that's unstoppable, the version they'll regret ignoring. Every time you feel that sting, let it remind you why you're grinding so hard. 4, don't seek validation, build it. Most people are addicted to approval. They need it like a drug. High-value people, they generate their own validation. Rejection stops hurting when you're not looking outside yourself for worth. Use each rejection as proof that you're not here to please anyone. You're here to build the kind of life that naturally commands respect. Stop looking for validation and start building it. You're the prize. Period. 5, master the art of indifference. When rejection comes, let it roll off you like water. High-value people have an aura of indifference. If you're rejected, it's their loss. You stay calm, composed, and you don't let it shake you. That indifference is powerful because it shows people that no matter what happens, you're unfazed, and people respect that strength. So next time you're rejected, don't collapse. Don't beg for second chances. Stand tall, learn the lesson, and turn it into power. Let them wonder why you're unshaken, why you're getting stronger with every rejection. That's real power. That's how you turn rejection into rocket fuel. Now, take what you've learned and put it to work. Every no you hear is one step closer to the yes that matters. Rejection isn't the end. It's your chance to prove them wrong. If you want more content to help you elevate your life, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future videos.